the opposite party has created two identities, Your Honor. There is one Tisha Jain, who is not my daughter, Your Honor. It is for the maintenance to the minor whose name is Anika Ashish Agarwal and who is my legitimate daughter, Your Honor.
So, please understand and settle the issue. Your life would be around around the courts.
I have a humble and urgent submission to make,
Yes,
Your Honor,
sent me
in
an
this
email
matter.
of 161 pages yesterday in the night. I could not take and when I tried to take it out, they were not coming properly. Ask him to share the physical, hard copy of the same, my lords, one. And this petition is regarding maintenance. I don't know what objections he has, but I'm able to understand what he wants to have from this court. He has filed an appeal for stay. Now, and my one humble submission, my lord, if
So, on first point, whatever emails you have sent, according to him, it's not legible, he's not able to download. Give them a physical copy, number one.
Surely, Your Honor, they can take the copy. As far as the email is concerned, Your Honor, there is the exact emergency. What I was just mentioning about is, Your Honor, there are certain things which are maliciously being done by there are acts done by the petitioner wife, which I humbly wish to bring before the court, Your Honor. Your Honor, presently there is only one affidavit, Your Honor, which is in question, where, Your Honor, the opposite party has created two identities, Your Honor. There is one Tisha Jain, who is not my daughter, Your Honor. There is an order in the family court impugned for that which they have come here to this court. Tisha Jain is not my daughter, Your Honor. My daughter is my only legitimate daughter, and for whom I am the biological father is Anika Ashish Agarwal, Your Honor. There is a mischievous affidavit which has been made by them, and on basis of that, they have secured an Aadhaar card. They have admitted the child in a school by the name of Tisha Jain, and in the admission form also there is no such.
So, what is the impugned order before this court?
It is for the maintenance to the minor whose name is Anika Ashish Agarwal and who is my legitimate daughter, Your Honor.
So, the scope of this petition is only to that extent. Whether the maintenance that is granted by the trial court is right or wrong is the only thing we'll decide. Now, with regard to some other lady, some other girl, which is not your daughter, and all those things are part of the trial court, the matter that is pending before the court. There you have to raise all those grounds.
But, Your Honor, the order itself had that defect which I had objected there, but due to they had, Your Honor, pleaded for an emergency date of four days in which I could not present myself, and that day the order was impugned.
To the order.
may I make one submission, my lord? First, he filed a petition for divorce in Bombay. It was transferred here. And then he appeared. Then the matter, he did not proceed with the matter seriously. He comes and only speaks about the matters, my lord. Thereafter, he has filed one petition again in the Karnataka court that the child's name is different. So he doesn't want to pay the maintenance. He doesn't do that. Then he files one more suit for recovery of money against me. That again in Thana.
No, whether the couple have one daughter or two daughters.
If your lordship can take the matter in chamber, Lord, your lordship can put a quashed. But today morning I spoke to my client also. She had come. She said, let the matter be mediated by the court, I will resolve. And I know
more than the Bangalore mediation or the court mediation has gone.
In fact, I am as a mediator, my lord, there is no difficulty. But the problem is, my lord, the mediation center cannot mediate this matter with this person. We have seen it. That's the reason I'm requesting.
You are ready to settle the
I'll be very much obliged.
Your Honor, I am ready to settle the dispute provided the identities are first clarified, Your Honor. Tisha Jain is not my daughter, Your Honor. I am Ashish Agarwal.
Please understand and settle the issue. Your life would be around around the courts.
Your Honor, I am once the files are observed, Your Honor, everything would be clear that who is correct and what, Your Honor.
Don't go into all these issues. Ultimately, that's a divorce and about the daughter.
Yes.
Those issues come up with open mind. Don't go into all these technical issues, that and this. If you want to settle and be happy, come out.
I'm very much ready for the settlement.
At 5 o'clock in the chambers. Yes,
Very
next.
obliged.
Cell number 20.